And now to the second core aspect, the employee-generated resources, activities and tutorials. Within any organisation, many employees are highly skilled in certain areas and many have areas of weakness. By having employees create mini tutorials of their best strategies and tech skills, everyone benefits from everyone's best practices. To create a new resource, click the red button, title it, and click the blue button. To create a write-up, employees complete a simple template. Of course, the template can be modified to suit the organisation's wishes. If we have a look at one of these example entries, Simon has posted a favourite interpersonal strategy. If I'm an employee keen to implement this idea, I want to know why is it an excellent idea, the step-by-step instructions, what I should think about before I implement it, what I need to get right, any possible pitfalls, and other possible applications of the strategy. At the bottom of each tutorial there can be a space for dialogue so that colleagues can field questions and suggestions. Perhaps the most powerful use of the employee-generated tutorials is for tech-based skills, including the clever use of AI. We'll offer guidance for employees who don't yet know how to easily create screen recordings. Note that some tutorials could be created collaboratively. Now let's have a look at another tutorial. This one contains video content. Now the tutorials are tagged for searching purposes, so it doesn't matter if you have hundreds of tutorials.